Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rhonda and today's video is this eyelash tutorial on how I apply my eyelash. This is a beginner's tutorial for those who are starting out to wear makeup. So I'm showing you how I apply it step by step. I hope you like this video, so keep on watching. So you want to take it to your eye and place it in the middle first. Then you want to take your corners, make sure it's aligned to your eyelash line. Then you want to take the other side and place it on the line as well. Make sure it's placed properly. And you're going to continue to do that. So once you know it's placed properly, you're going to make sure everything is good. You're going to place both of your natural lashes and your eyelash together so they blend perfectly. So you continue doing that. And so this is the final results of this tutorial. I hope you learned something in this video so you know how to put on your lashes. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next. I hope this video was helpful for those who are starting out to do makeup. Thank you for watching.